See how I made this beautiful African hairstyle. You will agree with me that this style looks beautiful actually. I look good in it. Welcome back to this channel. Now let me take you through this process. The process on how to achieve this beautiful hairstyle in no time by yourself or by your hairstylist. If this is your first time in this channel, you're very much welcome. Do not forget to subscribe so that you will enjoy more videos like this. And to my returning viewers, thank you for showing more encouragement by coming back to see my video. I am just parting the hair. In total, the hair will be 6 sections. So I parted the back into 3 sections. I'm not sure if I should say equally, but I tried to make them even. So one of the section, I am just parting it again at the middle. Now, if you've not seen my video on how to make what is generally called inverted cornrow, I'll drop it in the description where you can go and learn how to make inverted cornrow by yourself. This is not a tutorial video, hence I will not make it that slow, but I will still try as much as possible to make you get what I am doing here. So I am just picking hair from each side of the hair, each side of the parted, and I am just done with that side. I did the same thing for all the sections, all the parted sections. Now, this inverted cornrow is quite different a bit from the tutorial video. There are 2 ways to doing inverted cornrow. This is one of the ways, and the video I dropped in the description is another way of achieving this inverted cornrow. Whichever way you feel works for you, you're fine to go. But this one actually works if you are coming from the rear of your head. I mean from the back of your head. This one is better. The one you will part at the middle and pick hair from each side. It makes it easier for you to do. Let me just leave you while you take a good look and enjoy the view of the hairstyle.